I want to specifically look at yuan and actually the impact we saw on renminbi after China just over an hour ago says it was ready to retaliate over the latest U.S. tariff threats. China advocates, of course, solving these trade issues with dialogue, but they're also saying that the U.S. carrot and stick approach just won't work for China. What happens to renminbi from now?
Renminbi depreciates, Francine. It's going to be an orderly depreciation, and it's going to be a slow depreciation. As I think you were discussing before I came on, you know, they are not in a position where they want to see a 25% decline, but the economic fundamentals are, as we've seen with Mexico, that when the U.S. puts on tariffs, gets in a trade war with somebody, their currency, the opposite country's currency, tends to go down nearly 1-for-1 with the tariffs. In China's case, they'll be tapping the brakes. They're mostly a domestic economy, so it's probably not going to be 1-for-1, but it's going to go down.
Right, but is that manipulation? You would already know.
No. I mean, it's ridiculous.
Right?
Yeah, I know. And Fred Bergson and Joe Gagnon, who wrote the book on manipulation for the Peterson Institute, which became the script for the Treasury's currency manipulation monitoring, they both say it's not manipulation, and they're right, and the administration's wrong on this. It's not manipulation if the markets and savers in China are reacting rationally to the U.S. putting on tariffs, the U.S. attacking the economy. And so, again, it's like Trump saying, okay, I'm going to invade Belgium. Oh, my God, they're fighting back, so I'm going to like tear down their buildings. People are allowed to fight back. That's how it works. But I'm actually being misleading, because in the case of the currency, this isn't even the government fighting back. Manipulation requires activity by the government to buy or sell a currency. China broke the record on manipulation from 2004 to 2008. In 2009, the U.S. government should have been standing up to them then. But right now, the Chinese currency is reacting the way it should, and it's not manipulation.
Within this is the ambiguity over the dollar. Be a market strategist right now, Dr. Posen. Do you have a call on the dollar?
Up.
Up stronger.
Yeah, I mean, the dollar's going to go up. The dollar's going to go up for three reasons, right? So first is what we were just talking about. If they pursue auto tariffs with Mexico and thus Japan, Korea, Germany, if they pursue continued tariff escalation with China, then bilaterally the dollar strengthens against those two major currencies, which make up a big part of the U.S. currency basket. Dollar up because the fiscal blowout you and I were talking about before in the previous block means higher interest rates in the U.S. at the same time when others are not raising rates and not having to raise rates as much. So that's dollar up. And third, the growth effect of this blowout from the tax code. And there are some things there that are pro-business and deregulatory, and you get that higher rates.